Hello everyone, this is Preetham Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today this is our 14th video of Azure Data Factory RealTime Scenarios series. Okay, if you have not seen our previous videos, previous 13 videos, that also important and also co-linked with this video. Okay, so I would recommend you to see that video first and after that come to here. And if you are preparing for your upcoming data engineering interview where you might get multiple data engineering scenarios on Azure Data Factory, then this whole playlist would be your one of the best resource to go through. Okay, so let's go ahead without wasting time. So today's topic is how to copy multiple tables using Azure Data Factory. Okay, so basically, let's go. We'll try to understand the scenario. So before going ahead, I want to introduce our channel. This is our channel. Okay, Cognitive Coders, as you all know. So if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications for upcoming videos, because every day we are uploading new videos. Okay, so there are multiple playlists also. You can go ahead, and if you want to if you are new, you want to understand the PySpark database concept, you can go through the PySpark database playlist from there. We have uploaded already 65 videos there. The most common functions which we used to use daily in our daily activities, that is also there. Okay, there are lots of videos. Okay, lots of resources, you will get it from here: real-time scenarios, PySpark real-time scenarios, PySpark database series, okay, interview series. These all are for you guys. Okay, you guys please watch this and also share with your friends, so that we can circulate these good things with through a broader audience. Okay, so let's go. So today's scenario is how to copy the multiple tables using Azure Data Factory. Okay, so what is the scenario first to try to understand. Okay, so we have tables. Okay, three tables. Okay, so how to copy these three tables? Here I have three tables, but if we have 100 plus tables, also 100 plus tables, 200 plus tables, multiple tables. Okay, how to copy these tables from this SQL DB, and we'll paste it here as a CSV file, and CSV file's name would be the table names. Okay, so here the first table name is DBO employee, so CSV file name would be DBO underscore employee dot CSV. So like this will get stored, the data will get stored here. So how to copy this table's data and store it as a CSV in our sync location. Okay, basically this is the funda. So first we need, for this, if if I'll if I'll go ahead. Okay, so select table select table schema, table name. Okay, from information schema, information schema dot tables. Okay, so if I run this comment, so it will give me the all the tables, so system logs tables, my existing tables and all. Okay, but I need only my tables. Okay, I don't need the system logs tables. So we'll just store whatever table I have in my DBO schema. Okay, so for that, first I will separate these things. Table type equals to This will be my base table. Okay, this is called base table. Base table and table schema is tb. Only my tbo schemas table I will take it. If I would I might have multiple schemas tables, so I would not consider. Or if you have any other schemas table, you can consider that, and you can filter it like this. Okay, I think you know the SQL language much better. Okay, so only the SQL table, only the base tables which has a schema DBO that I am getting here. Okay, for here it is completed. So which table I will copy? These three tables I will copy. These three tables data I will copy and paste it there. Okay, so let's go. And now I need to create one pipeline. Okay, so let's go ahead and create one pipeline. So in pipeline, first what I will take, so pipeline 3. Okay, so I'll take lookup activity. Okay, so lookup activity, lookup, I'm taking it. Okay, so lookup activities work what to do. So it basically it will look to your source system and it will get the data, how much data is there, and how you will get it. So let's go and let's do it. Okay, so basically I have one link set data set here for the um, for the uh, uh, for the uh, for the employee table only. Okay, for the employees table only, but I need all the three tables, so I need to create new data set. Okay, so here Azure SQL database, so already link services are created there. So in table name I will not consider anything. Okay, so it will just point out the database table name. I will not take it from here. Okay, so here the name what I'll give, DSCC test. So naming convention you need to give it correctly for using it multiple times. Okay, for now I am not selecting any kind of table name. Okay, so let's go and select it. Okay, so here I got my new data set here. Okay, so here I will, for selecting the tables, I would prefer to select it in query. Okay, and in query I'll paste this query to get this result. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so now what we'll do, so I have given. Okay, let's check the output. What kind of output I will get from here. Okay, let's go, let it run. Meanwhile I'm just stopping this. Okay, I'm opening one notepad. So the run is completed. Okay, if I see the output, so in output what I am getting, employee name. Okay, so only first row it is giving. Sorry, here I need to do some kind of changes. Okay, So here first row only I have selected, that's why only first row it is giving me. Okay, so now once again I should run. So when you will do it hands-on now, there are little bit of changes you think you will get to see out where the changes, where the critical changes you need to do to get the correct thing. So now I am getting the all the tables in a list format. Okay, so you can see, so I am getting it in a list. Okay, so if I copy it and paste it here, you can see all my tables and schemas are here. So now I can use these tables name and schema in my table. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll use one loop activity. Okay, so for each and every table name, the loop will be uh, the loop will be executed, okay, multiple times. For loop, okay, for each loop. Okay, so if for each loop I would prefer, so here what we'll do, so we have this value, so this is a single value, this is a single value, this is also a single value. So for each and every value we will perform the loop activity. So for that, this will be a sequential activity, so we'll continue with it, and in items we will pass the values. Okay, so lookup one activity output. Okay, so here in output, based on value it will be looked up. So value, okay, given. Now go ahead. So based on each and every value, this loop will work. Okay, so now what we'll do here, now we need to perform the copy activity. So we'll take the copy activity here. Let's take it. Taken. So now what we'll do, we need to give the source. So source will be my this db table. Okay, but here in db, which table or which schemas table we need to consider. For that, what we'll do, so we need to make some changes in the data set. Okay, the new data set which we have created. So here we will take some we will create some parameter schema chma schema and table. Okay, okay, so now here in table, here we will not take it, so we'll mention it from here dynamically. Okay, so schema name, this will take the table name. Okay, and this, okay, so it's done. So now whenever this will this will work. Okay, whenever I, okay, 1 minute. So now schema and table name is here. Okay, but here how to get the schema name and table name. So for that, for each item dot table schema would be passed. Okay, table schema, this is the schema name. Because each and every item, the for loop will get executed, the value will get passed to the to the variable. Okay, here it is the table name. Okay, Now the source is defined correctly. Now coming to the sync. So for sync, we need to configure the sync folder. Okay, sync path. So sync path, sync folder is already given. Okay, so if so see, if I will open the sync folder dataset, so it is only already pointing to the sync path and latest file. The parameter is already defined. Okay, so in parameter only, so here only, that's why this parameter is present here. So here only we need to configure the name, how we want to get the name. Okay, so we want to get the name based on the schema first. Okay, table schema, then we we want to pass it like this. So once again, item dot table name dot csv, like this we want to get the data. Okay, so here one thing we need to change. So here the table schema name will get it from here, the table name also will get it from here, but these are all the string, so we need to concatenate, we need to perform the concatenation. Okay, so for that, this underscore is also a string, so we'll perform it like a string, otherwise it will give us the error. Okay, this csv is also a string, we'll perform it like this. Okay, and the whole thing the whole thing here, this will be a comma, so this is a comma, these are all the strings we'll get. Okay, now we'll concatenate our whole strings. We'll perform the concat function. Okay, concat. Now it is completed. Unrecognized schema, why it is giving me like this? Let me check once again. I'm just writing. Okay, concat. Under this concatenation, we'll perform our item dot. First, we'll take the table schema. So then table schema. Then we'll take one underscore. Then once again we'll take item dot table name. Okay, so now we'll add the csv here. I think this will work. The error gone. Okay, there are some kind of commas mismatch was there, I think. So now all done. File extension, this is .csv. Okay, all already explicitly I have mentioned it here. I don't, because the dataset was earlier created for .txt file extensions, and that's why it is here. Okay, delimited text. Okay, it is CSV already created. Let me check. Yeah, everything is fine. Now we can go ahead. So the sync path is configured. Okay, source is also configured. Okay, so what will happen? Just I'm going through once again. So lookup will check all the tables from the source table, and after that it will pass to the for each loop. Okay, in for each loop there is already items, all the items, whatever items value it would be, based on all the items value, the for each loop will get executed that much of time, and for each and every value the copy activity will get triggered uh, using schema and table name. It will copy the data and sync on the sync location, and the name would be like this: schema name underscore table name dot csv. Okay, so let's run it. Let's see it is working fine or not. No value provided for the parameter lookup. Okay, let's check what is the issue. Okay, here's test db I have taken. So one thing I can do, I'm changing the I have taken the previous data set, which is directly indicating the tables. Okay, so I have so for lookup activity I have taken this data set, which is pointing to 1 db only. Okay, here what we can do, here I can query my data set only. Okay, because this data set already it is mentioned manually for the copy activity purpose. So you need to create one another data set to get your query executed. Okay, it should not take manually. Okay, so let's run it. So let it run. You also try it by yourself own. Okay, so if you are facing any kind of issue, just you can comment on the video comment section so that I can help you. You can see all the uh, three values I am getting. Okay, the basic table perspective. Okay, base table, and for each and every table the copy activity will get executed. Okay, so I am getting three values, so three times copy activity will get executed. Let's see the sync container. Yeah, files have come, you can see. So it got executed finally. Okay, successfully executed, and the three tables are there: ADF log table, employee table, and employees table. Okay, so ADF log table, employee table, and employees table. So the file naming format is on dbo underscore table name, dbo underscore table name, schema underscore table name, schema dbo. Okay, so let's see the data. So let's see, let the data loaded. Yeah, the data is the perfect data. Okay, so all the three data are there. Okay, you can see size is also, it is showing all the three data. Okay, let's go ahead and So if try it by yourself also, okay. Other without practice you will get you will not able to find out your own mistake whenever you are doing, because seeing is a different thing to understand the concept, and doing is the different thing. Doing, when you will do by yourself, this kind of the little things, okay, you will not able to miss, okay. So you see, you have seen whenever I was using the previous data set, the new data set, that time I was getting error because that there is a limitation. There we need to mention the schema and table name by ourselves, okay, enter manually. But whenever I have used my previous data set, there there is no enter manually, so I can execute my query here, okay. So that I'm getting all my table name from this DB, and the new dataset I can use it in my copy activity, so that for each and every table name and schema, the copy activity will get the table name and schema here, which is already parameterized, and it can copy the data, okay. So I think you have understood the concept. If you have not skipped the video, then you will get to understand, because mm there is multiple times where you are skipping the video, you are missing very important informations also. So don't skip the video, see the whole video, each and every seconds, okay. And after that, try it by yourself. Without practice you will not able to understand, okay. So thank you for watching our video. You can connect with me via TalkMate. You can join our Telegram channel for participating daily quiz. You can follow me in Insta, in our LinkedIn also. If you any kind of info you need, you can directly connect with me via TalkMate. You don't need to pay anything. All the services are free in TalkMate to connect with me. Okay. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you for watching our video. Bye.